So our onion it has dry. You hear the sound of it. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how I prepare my onion powder. This is my onion. This is fresh onion. So I want to peel the onion. We are using sun drying. Okay, thank you very much for watching. So our onion it has dry. You hear the sound of it. So let's go and do the finishing work. So beautiful people, this is our onion powder. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment, and see you where we'll be using it to prepare our delicious food. Bye bye.